In this video I'll make a review about the whole Real Madrid kit, not only this jersey but shorts and socks included. So let's get started with the front of the jersey. Here you can see the Adidas logo, Real Madrid logo and the Fly Better Emirates logo. This one is heat pressed, as you can see this close up with the material. And then here you have the embroidered Real Madrid logo and also the embroidered Adidas logo. This one is a fan version kit, so everything is embroidered. And now let's go to these three stripes, which are also embroidered, or they are from a textile material, and they are on the shoulders of the jersey. The neck or collar of the jersey is from this elastic material, as you can see, and this is also aero ready technology from Adidas. But now let's go to the back of the jersey, and this one is customized. And the best thing about this website is that you can customize with the original number, with this little logo on the bottom of the number, and also with the original font for the letters, Dani. So here you can see this beautiful font, also heat pressed, and it's really well heat pressed. From my experience for other jerseys, they don't really fall off, and even the little details like this Hala Madrid little patch on the neck of the jersey. So this is the sleeve of the jersey, this is how it looks like. But as I said, it's a whole kit, so let's go to the shorts. This is how it looks like, and again the Adidas logo embroidered. And the Real Madrid logo also embroidered. It's a bit smaller than on the jersey, and of course the number as well. So if you customize a kit, then it's included the customization of the shorts as well. The three stripes on the side of the jersey, and here you can see this really elastic material for the trousers. It even has laces, so here's the back of the shorts, nothing too special, aero ready technology. It's beautiful white, and here you will have the socks as well. It's packed really nice, like as you can see it's universal size, so nothing to worry about the shorts. It's also really soft, really comfortable material, like you really feel well when you play football. I know because I have other socks as well. So this is all you need to know about it. And don't forget, if you use my invitation link or code from the description, you can save $5 on your order. Thank you, and see you in the next one.